Hey everyone, we are not in Atlanta this week. Hey everyone, Lucas with Fuji here, and this week we're not gonna have an episode, but it's with good reason. It's not every week that we get to come out to Cupertino and work with our peers in the Apple Consultants Network. It's been a complete blast, and while we're here, we had to at least show you where we are. So right here we're at the Apple Park Visitor Center, which if you are at all an Apple fan, you've got to make a trip out here, especially if you're in the area. They've got an AR table right here where you can see a 3D model of Apple Park, a full Apple store, of course, and some pretty cool swag as well. I also can vouch for the espresso. So they've got a cafe and everything. So anyway, we're here doing some really exciting work with other consultants alongside with Apple. There is a global community of consultants just like Fuji that works with small businesses every single day. So it's been really fun to just work with that community and collaborate on a pretty cool project. So we will see you guys next week.